The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Love County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 10 p.m. At 9:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northwest of Lebanon, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Matt Hill,